Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, June 20, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, June 20, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 20, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, June 20, 2026. Here is the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for Saturday, June 20, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, June 20, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.